In August 1995, a swirling mass of clouds in the Atlantic suddenly gained strength. It was called Hurricane Erin. For some, it was a storm that disrupted vacations, damaged homes, and knocked out power. But behind the headlines was something deeper. A story about how hurricanes are born, how they grow, and why they can be so unpredictable. Today, we'll dive into the science and legacy of Hurricane Erin and uncover what really caused it. Like many Atlantic hurricanes, Erin's story began thousands of miles away. A tropical wave drifted off the coast of West Africa, a disturbance so small it barely registered at first. But over the open ocean, with warm waters and little resistance, the wave grew into something far more menacing. Clouds towered higher, winds began to rotate, and a storm system took shape. To understand why Erin intensified, we need to look at the science of hurricanes. Think of a hurricane as a giant heat engine. Warm ocean water evaporates, feeding moisture into the sky. As that moisture condenses, it releases energy, driving the storm to spin faster and grow stronger. Over the Gulf Stream, where waters are unusually hot, Erin found the perfect fuel. But storms aren't unstoppable. Strong upper winds, called wind shear, can tilt a storm apart, like a spinning top knocked off balance. In 1995, however, the atmosphere was unusually calm. Perfect conditions for Erin to survive. Erin first struck the Bahamas, lashing the islands with 85-mile-per-hour winds. Palm trees bent nearly sideways, waves swallowed beaches, and homes were torn apart. Then the storm made landfall in Florida, forcing thousands of families to evacuate. Theme parks closed, airports shut down, and much of the state went dark as power lines snapped. Flooded streets turned cars into islands, while emergency crews fought to keep order. For many Flidians, Erin was the first hurricane they had ever experienced, and its impact was unforgettable. But what makes Hurricane Erin so fascinating isn't just the damage, it's the path it took. Instead of following the predictable west-to-east curve, Erin zigzagged in unusual directions. Forecast models struggled, sometimes placing the storm hundreds of miles off its real track. At one point, Erin weakened over land, then unexpectedly restrengthened in the Gulf of Mexico. Meteorologists studying jet streams and shifting pressure systems still debate what pushed Erin along its bizarre route. It was a reminder that even in the age of satellites, nature doesn't always play by the rules. In the end, Hurricane Erin caused billions in damage, but taught scientists valuable lessons. Communities learned the importance of evacuation and preparation. Families rebuilt, stronger and wiser for the storms yet to come. Today, modern satellites and supercomputers can predict hurricanes with far greater accuracy. But Erin remains a case study in unpredictability, a storm that proved we still don't fully understand the forces that shape our world. And as our planet warms, the lessons of Erin remind us, every storm has a story, and every story has a warning. If you really enjoy this video, kindly subscribe and click the notification button so you get notified when I upload my next video.